Hey everybody, Darren Burrell, Scott Equipment Company. I'm here at SCHUNK just outside of Raleigh, North Carolina, which is their North America headquarters. Today we have several customers that have come and joined us here to solve some of their application needs and problems, right? Let's go inside and see how we're doing it. Let's go. Great lobby, absolutely beautiful. Let me introduce you to one of the key people that helps Scott Equipment and Blue Level Partners be successful with the SCHUNK products.
Thanks, Darren. My name is Josh Lucas. I'm Channel Coordinator here at SCHUNK USA. We're thrilled to have several of our customers, along with one of our Blue Level Partner distributors, on site here today. We are hand in hand for tomorrow, and now we'll step into our collab where we can see how we help our customers remove barriers to automation.
Let's go. Pretty awesome stuff here in the collab, right? But they got more. So as we're walking through, SCHUNK lobby here, one side they have the collab, but they have a whole other section. Let's go. On this side of the building, past their conference rooms, you'll see a whole nother tech center with some of their other products besides the cobots. Let's go take a look. As they go in, you'll see multiple customers talking about their applications with some of the engineers here at SCHUNK headquarters. If you have applications or want to talk about it further, let your account manager know.